Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to my craft room. You can see behind me, it's a mess. That part, I'm gonna be honest with you, probably gonna be a mess at the end of this video still. But there's a counter to my left, another counter to my left. This section over here looks like it's about to have a craft-a-lanch. I have a bunch of stuff on the washer and dryer because when things get out of hand, I craft there too. So what I'm gonna do, oh, the ottoman behind you is covered with stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a quick look, and then this is my 30-minute timer tidy up. Once a month in my goals, I have a 30-minute. It's not nearly enough. I know I have some friends who do 15 minutes a day. I probably should do 30 minutes a week, but 30 minutes on a timer it's a bigger return than 3 hours on a Saturday afternoon. So watch this and you'll see what I'm saying. I'd say my energy level is moderate. I am gonna eat dinner after this, so there's, chicken salad on the other side of this. There's hope for it. And what I do is I set the timer and I turn on some music and I just try not to craft, not to get sidetracked. I can write things down if I want to remember them for later, but it is about tidying. And I pick a zone and I try and work on that zone. Where tidying gets really hard is if you don't have enough space to put your stuff away, true, and you don't know where it goes. You haven't thought about it. You're branching out into new types of crafting categories, or maybe in your life, you're buying types of things for your kitchen that you never bought before. I do that too, because I make cards, I make journals, I do three-dimensional stuff and mixed media. I buy so many different categories, and then when I go to put stuff away, I don't know where it should go. The other thing that I have a tendency to do is say, oh, I'm gonna use that, I'm not gonna put it away. This mess, I'm gonna put everything away, and then if I have to pull stuff out again to work on a project, I will, because we've reached that level of chaos. Okay, so that's where I am today. I have other videos just like this, and I sort of introduce the situation I'm in or what I'm trying to get ready for. I probably won't set out a project during this video at all. I'm just gonna find counter space. How about that? Okay, so this is a look at the room from a little bit further back, so you can see more of the mess before we get started. If you don't see the before, the after isn't impressive. Then on the washer, we have dog bones and ribbon. What do you have on your washer? And the iron, which only ever comes out for crafting. Couple of fatal errors. Well, not fatal, but don't forget to bring your water in. Turn down the heat. The sweatshirt and the lack of water and the heat were a little much. This is going to go out of this room, out of this room, out of this room. I don't know where these are going to go yet, but I know what they are. That is Smash Our Stash. I decided not to put all those textiles down in the cupboard because I'd have to dig them out again. I was trying to get the pictures on the wall because stuff kept falling all week. I had troubles with that because I haven't put stuff away. That is a pretty good spot for that to sit. I think I decided earlier today that's going to be my next one for stamp storage. I can still open this cupboard and I can work on it and add tape and figure things out and plan it. It's not in the way. It might fall over, but it won't bother me. This, I'm going to sew the pockets when we turn off this video. It's a cereal box liner. I had a plan for it, so I don't know. Maybe I'll put it in the craft-a-lanch that keeps occurring over there. My iPad leaves this room, so we're good. This is all wonderful goodness. Embellishments, good stuff. I need to check and see what Smash Our Stash for next month is. And maybe I should start it sooner rather than later because twine and ribbon isn't cleaning my room like the other categories were. I don't know what I'm going to use this shelf for. I did decide while we were tidying that I got rid of that big star stamp. Yes, I like stars. That one kind of looks like dog hair to me. I don't know. Did you see it? I don't know. It's just weird. And it doesn't fit well in my cupboard. I guess I could turn it this way. Been really thinning. Clearly I have some wrapping paper problems. This, again, it's just all really great stuff. Many projects. So when I sit down this evening and start thinking about goals and projects, and maybe you can apply this in your life, I need to think about what is going to use these and when will these get cleaned up and go away. Maybe I should take a pair of scissors and cut these stickers apart and put them in different projects. Sentiments that I might want for butterflies, other things like that. I don't think this is going to go there. I thought it would be my next one, but I think the one over there is going to go there. And I did take down that clear thing, not in this video, but before. So if you've been monitoring my craft room, it's getting there, right? I don't know that I'm improving because I'm starting so many new things and branching out into other hobbies. I don't recommend that. Pick one thing and stick with it. All right. Wilson and I are going to have some... Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:42 p.m.
Oh, okay. We're going to say the word. Watch this. Wilson, do you want some dinner? Dinner? Oh, okay. What do you do to get dinner? How do you get dinner? No, I don't think that's it. Do you want dinner? Dinner? What do you do to get dinner? How do you get that dinner? What do you do? What? Oh. What do you do? You were so close, buddy. Yep. How do you get dinner? He doesn't believe me because I'm holding the phone. How do you get dinner? Good. Okay, I got to go down because clearly I have something to do. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching.